Alright, FX40 introductory video 4. So here we are with the graphic placed onto our template, ready to go to start bringing some values in here. So as Andrew had set up, we bring in these, or we kept some of these bound labels. I've cleaned up a little bit and I've deleted some of the ones that aren't very useful. This bound label, you need to use this type of bound label where it already has a value binding attached to it. In the properties menu here, you can see that you have the description of the item. So there's different things here. There's rectangles, and so this is a bound label, and it already has a value binding attached to it. I found that just attaching value bindings to these labels using the add binding is it doesn't produce a label that you can bring a value into. So try to find one that already has the value binding on it, and I will show you how to attach a set point to it. So where we point this label to one of our points on the FX07 is down here in the value binding. There's an ORD field. If you click on that ORD field, it brings up a menu to select where you'd like to point it. So this is the select ORD menu. If we pull down the drivers area, we can see the networks within the FX40. The one we're looking for is this top one. It's the JC N2 network. That's the N2 network. Don't ask me why they have it as JC, but that's how it is. So we pull that down, and in here we can see our controllers. There's 3 controllers in here. Here's the one we set up. So if we pull that down, within that there are points. So let's attach one of these to it. We'll bring in the room temperature, and when we bring that down, we're looking for this out, but pull it out and go all the way to this the value. Okay, now that we have that there, we'll bring it in. So that's now attached to this this bound label. You can see the text isn't displaying right. What it is this text field here, we need to enter a description here. This is room temp. So we enter room temp, and then we need to enter equal %, period, %, and that will get your temperature in there, or whatever your point is. So we can see we have the room temp now, and it's displaying our room temperature. We can edit this just by editing this this text area. We can put Celsius on there, and there we are. Now let's bring in another. So we click on the ORD folder. Now we're here at our controller. We'll close up room temp. Let's bring in set point. In set point we bring the out. See, this one's quite different because it's an editable point. And we'll go all the way down to value again and bring that in. You can see there's our set point. We need to change that text, so if we click on text here, change that to set point. Okay, and then there's one more. Once again, clicking on ORD. Keep your points down. We'll click on output and out, and the value. OK. You see it, that's come in, showing our value of false. We can change this to output, and we can take that C off of there. All right. Good. So you can see we now have the 3 points that we brought in off the FX07 in our graphic. So that's one limitation that we have found is that we're not yet able to determine how to change values in the graphic. There does seem to be the functionality, but we're not sure how to do it. If we go to our properties palette here, we can add different bindings to it. One of them actually is set point binding, which a set point binding should allow you to display and change set points, but these menus don't allow us to do that. So that's a bit of a challenge. Although it does allow us to create, even just being able to bring these values in, allows us to create quite a nice operating monitoring system.